Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And this is reposted as well, so just going to scramble it. Like this, and then you first want to make the daisy. Like this on every side. Like this, and don't worry if you have a corner piece. And then the second step is to create the white cross. So first you want to make stuff like this, and then move it to the white center, like that. Do that on every side. Like this, and then last one like this. And then once you did this, like this, and make sure there's no corner stickers. Do this. The third step is to solve the bottom layer, like this. And then you want to find a corner piece with a white sticker, and then identify the color next to it. In my case, that sticker is orange. And we want to make it directly like at the same color like this, and then do the right trigger if it's on the right or left. In my case, it's on the left, so do the right trigger. So, and then like that, like this, and then match it. Do that. Match it. So, in case you have one of this, or on the top is the middle problem of this. So, if you have this, do the right trigger. If it's on the right, do the right trigger. And if it's on the left, do the left trigger. And then you want this white sticker opposite to a non-white sticker, like this. And then do the right trigger 2 times or the left trigger 2 times. If it's on the left side, do the left trigger 2 times. If it's on the right side, do the right trigger 2 times. Like this, and then match it to the center, the same color. And then do that, and now you can see the entire bottom layer is solved. Even your white face is even solved. The step 4 is to solve the second layer of the cube. First, you want to search for edge pieces with no yellow stickers. Once you find one, you want to make sure that you want to pay attention to the sticker that is facing you. You want to make sure that it matches to the same color like this, and then I'll have an upside down T. And look at the top color. It matches the right side or left side. In my case, it matches the left side. So do this, and then left trigger, and then match it to the center, same color, and then do right trigger to place it back down, just like in step 3. So once if you have like this over here and you want to move it up, then first do the left trigger or right trigger. If it's on the left side, do the left trigger like that, and then now you can see it's moved up, and then place the display white sticker back down, and then you have this one up on the layer like that. So once you finish the entire second layer, it's time for step 5. So step 5, you may have know of these So first do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. If you have like a line, if you have a line, and then you want to make sure that's vertical, and then do for Earth. And then you'll have this, and then move it like in the 9 and 12 position on the clock, and then perform F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And then you'll have one of these, and then you'll solve the yellow cross. And then the sixth step is to solve the entire yellow face. So, if you have 2 or 0 corner pieces, well, you'll never have 3. You only just have 0, 1, or 2. You have 0 or 2, rotate the top face of the cube, so there's a yellow sticker in this position right here. And do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Again, if you have 0 or 2 corner pieces like you do here, rotate its top face, so there's a yellow sticker in this position right here. Hold that in your left hand. And do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now you should have one corner piece with this. Like this. Move it to the top. Move the corner yellow sticker to the bottom left, and then do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Like this, and then you'll solve the yellow face. On to step 7. The goal of step 7 is to position the corners of the cube. So what you want to do is that you want to make stuff like this on every single side. If you have one of these, like that, hold it on your left hand. If you have no, face any side, and then do L prime, U, R, U prime. L, U, R prime. R, U, R prime. U, R, U2, R prime. So this is how to remember this algorithm a bit easier. The last second half is the exact same as the algorithm that we used in step 6. Got it? Good. Now, occasionally you might have one of these and then hold it into your left hand and then do L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime. And then you know this part. And then you might have every single solve. If you don't, you might need to perform step 7 algorithm one more time. Next, rotate the upper face so that the corner pieces match up with the rest of the cube's faces. There's just one step left to go. Alright, this is it. The 8th and final step. The goal of this step is to position the edges of your cube. And this is the counterclockwise rotation, what you want to do. This really wants to be here. And this really wants to be here. And this really wants to be here. Just swap these 3 edges in counterclockwise rotation. Perform the algorithm F2, U prime, R prime, L. F2, L prime, R, U. U prime, F2. Like that. And also the U, I accidentally said incorrectly. It was supposed to be U prime. And this is the clockwise rotation. This blue really wants to be here. This orange really wants to be here. And this red piece really wants to be over here. Do F2, U, R prime, L. F2, L prime, R, U, U, F2. Alright, so what do you do if none of your sides solve? Simple. Perform the counterclockwise algorithm once. Reposition the cube. And then perform it again. It goes like this. F2, U prime, R prime, L. F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. I don't know if I said the U prime correctly. I might said U, but it's U prime. So Now you should have one solved face pointed away from you and perform the counterclockwise algorithm the second time, or the clockwise one. F2 U R prime L F2 L prime R U F2. Now the cube should be solved. And that's it. You did it. You solved the cube. Congratulations. Bye.